Sabi mo. Hi guys. New? Anong name nila? Ming Ming. Meng Meng. Wow, anong bird yan, nak? What kind of bird is that?
Sabi daw ni Mama, European bird. European.
African. African bird ata yan eh. You like it? Ang ganda ng color, oh. It's rainbow. Rainbow color.
Rainbow mutation.
Yeah. Si Ming Ming, yung nakatalikod. Si Weng Weng, yung naka-front. Ito yung pagkain nila, oh. Ming Ming, Weng Weng. Ito yung food nila, oh. Yung tubig. Happy ka?
Yeah.
Happy ka, Day?
Yeah.
Oh, ito yung food nila, ang dami, oh. 2 kilos. Ano?
Babalik tayo dito tapos lalagay yung yung pagkain.
Kakalagay lang natin, eh.
Katagal sila. Papapanoodin na lang natin yung computer.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Bye-bye, Ming Ming. Weng Weng.
Bye.
Kain kayo dyan, ah. Kain kayo, kain. Oh, ganda ng color, oh.